Hello, we are Team Dhruv. Our problem statement focuses on curbing the noise pollution, especially in no honking zones like hospitals, schools and libraries, as noise pollution has emerged to be a leading environmental nuisance. Several stats suggest that noise pollution is responsible for more than 16,600 premature deaths, and hence we have devised a solution through our anti-horn system. Our proposed system will be triggered when a vehicle will enter a no honking zone, and then the driver won't be able to honk because our system will cut the power supply to the horn.
Now let's see the actual implementation of the project. So we have installed our circuit in this car and we are taking two connections from the car. One will be from the horn and the other one will be from the battery. So we are connecting these two connections to our circuit. And we are also powering our circuit from the car's battery itself. So we don't have to put an external battery for the working of the circuit. And now we'll go to the no honking zone and we'll see the actual working of the prototype. So we are here. We have installed a transmitter or a router in this home, and let's assume it as a hospital in a no honking zone. And as I am in a no honking zone, currently if I try to press the horn is disabled. Here I am trying to press the horn, but the horn has disabled because we are in a no honking zone. Now let's move out of the no honking zone and see if the horn gets reactivated. Now we'll go out of the no honking zone. We are at some distance from the no honking zone and the horn should have got reactivated. Now let's try. So as I am pressing the horn, we are able to press the horn because we are out of the no honking zone now. So we have also thought of an emergency situation wherein if the car is in no honking zone and the driver has to honk urgently. Right now I am in no honking zone and the horn is deactivated. I am trying to press the horn but there is no honking. So we have thought of this and we have implemented a measure wherein if the driver presses and holds the horn for 1.5 seconds, the horn will get activated for 5 seconds, which I'll show right now. So the horn has got activated and I am able to honk, but after 5 seconds the horn will automatically get deactivated. As I am trying to press the horn, there is no honking. The horn has got disabled.
Commercialization. The prototype contains ESP8222 Wi-Fi module costing $3.5, a relay module $1.75, a voltage converter $1.29, and a Wi-Fi router in each no honking zone costing $18. We can still lower down the prices by buying the modules in bulk. Each kit costs approximately $6 excluding the price of router. As per market price, the expenditure of a project is approximately between $24.48 to $27.98. While government is also concerned about prevention of noise pollution due to vehicles, our project helps to solve these issues. Technically, it is a simple circuit and easy to embed in vehicles. Thank you.